Hello, my name is Christopher, and today I'll be making a video on if-else statements. In this video, I'll be showing this code that asks you for the time and then determines whether or not you're going to be late for class. The code will ask the user to input the time, then round it to the nearest hour, and use military time to make it simpler. So you just have to write an integer. And then based on the answer, it'll run through the if statement, which in this case is a if-else, if, and then repeated until you get another else. So to run you through this code, based on what you input, it'll start going through these to check if it falls into one of these categories. For example, if you input a number that is between 12 and 7, or which is less than 12 and greater than 7, it'll tell you you don't have to worry about class because you have a lot of time left. And if you input a number that is greater than 12 and less than or equal to 13, it'll tell you that class has already started and you probably won't make it. And if you input a number that is 12 or is equal to 12, it'll tell you that class is about to start and you might just make it in time. And then if you input a number that's greater than 14 and less than 21, in this case being 2 p.m. and 11 p.m., it'll tell you missed class. And anything other than that, it tells you should probably be sleeping because those are the times where you should be sleeping. So the if-else statement basically runs a checklist through whatever you input until it finds something that matches and within these parameters, or doesn't, which in this case will be else, and it'll print out whatever is left. So to test it, we can run it and start inputting numbers down here. So it tells you, so you can start off by, let's say, inputting 15. Then that'll be around 3 p.m. and it'll tell you missed class. That falls under this category here, since it's in between these two numbers, and I'll print out this. We can run again, and this time let's enter 12, which is about when class is going to start, and it'll tell you class is just about to start. You might make it in time if you run. Now let's enter something that's not in these parameters, that being a number that's less than 7, being 7 a.m., and greater than 21 being 11 p.m. So let's just write 3 for 3 a.m. and I'll tell you should be asleep right now, because who's awake at 3 a.m.? And that's pretty much an if-else statement. It just checks to see if anything's in the parameters of these if, or the else if, or of these, and then if it's not, it prints out or does whatever is in the else. But if it is in here, it'll run through whatever is in these statements, in this case printing out the messages in the lines. Thank you.